I don't know, I just need to do something to take my mind off of being disappointed. That's right. I gotta spend more money on diamond. So let me change this oil in the beast. Now that I'm here, let's just get it done real quick. Alright, so you're about to watch me change the oil in the beast. This is my black, it's not really black, it's a dark gray 2012 BMW 750xi. But while I'm doing that, I just want to talk about something that's been kind of bugging me lately. A few years back, I could log on to Copart or IAAI, find a salvage or repairable car, scoop it up for a deal, maybe $5,000, throw in some elbow grease, a couple of weekends in the garage, and boom, I've got a road-ready car. I got a real car to drive around for less than half the retail value. But today, man, the reality is me finding a bargain on Copart and IAI, those days are gone. Prices at the auction are out of control. Even total loss vehicles are getting bid up to levels that make 0 cents. Frame damage, flooded, no title, it doesn't matter. People are throwing money at these cars like it's 2020 again. The reality is, the days of scoring a true bargain at these salvage auctions, at least in the US, they about bit the dust. They're fading. By the time you factor in the fees, transportation, repairs, you might as well go buy a clear title car with much less hassle. I gotta really think hard about my next steps. When I open this box, I expected to see another drain plug. I don't know why. But, I mean, this is what they gave me. I don't know what this is for, though. I'm not going to use it. It's definitely not for the drain plug. I'll figure that out. But this is the copper washer that I want. So I'll set this on. And you know what? Let me open. Let's open the oil fill. Let some air in the system, let that drain. Let's grab this drain fill, oil drain plug, and put this back in. Okay. The longer this takes, the more of a mess I make. What a mess. Ooh, there it is. No need to rush, because when you rush, you make mistakes. Yuck. I'll just kind of hand tighten this. The torque on this is 5 Newton meters, which is nothing. It's a good thing this is not a how-to tutorial, because I did say nothing, but that's not what I really mean. I mean, it's not that tight. Alright, so for now, I'll hand tighten it. Now, let's see what this oil drain plug looks like. Oil filter. Can I unscrew it with my hand? What's this stuff in the way? Nope. Negative. So, that's kind of a good thing. I don't want it to be too easy, right? Alright, let's see what we have here. Okay, let's take out my filter. And then, let's grab this. I do a quick inspection, look for any metallic. Yeah. I don't know what that is, but look inside the filter. All right, so at least something's going right today. But let me get back to my little rant. And I'm going to wrap it up. I don't want to be talking on this entire video. So we're talking about salvage cars, the new market, how I've seen beat up cars with airbags blown, front end damage go for like $6,000. Like I'm not paying that. And it's not just about price. It's all about the risk. I mean, these platforms aren't changing with the market. You're still playing the game, but the odds are worse and the buy-in is a whole lot higher. So I'm evolving. I will have to be really, really selective on my next purchase. I mean, like the Beast here. Yeah, the Beast isn't perfect, but at least I know exactly what needs to be done with this car. I know what has to be done. Little things I will do, some things I won't do. I'm just maintaining it, and honestly, that's a whole lot cheaper than gambling on another overpriced salvage project. You know what? Let me know in the comments. Are you guys seeing the same trends at the auction sites like Copart and IAAI, which is insurance auto auction? Is the salvage hustle still worth it where you are? If you're new here, welcome to Projects and Problems. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Back to this oil change. Let's look at this filter again. It looks good. I mean, I don't see anything to cause concern. All right, take this. Pop this into place. Nope, didn't snap yet. Snap. There's a snap. Snap, snap, snap. If it doesn't snap, it doesn't work. All right, we're good. So let's screw this back into place. Let me clean up my oil filter wrench as well. Good. Look at that. That's not a bad fit. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. All right, that was satisfying and a job well done. Until next time, I don't know. We'll pick up this rant about the salvage car market another time. That's a wrap.